Let's see how many brain cells you get, Princess. Oh my.
The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Two identical twins will never have the same fingerprint.
You're 5. How do you know that? Well, my queen, she what? How is she so smart?
That's because I have more brain cells than the average human.
She has more brain cells than me. This can't be.
Your body language and tone of voice indicates that you're coming up with an evil plan.
Stepdaughter, don't be silly. For the last time, it's not poisoned.
Well, your body language does show that you're not lying, so... Okay, stepmother, I'll try some.
Yes, my potion worked. I said it wouldn't poison you, but I never said anything about it making you stupid.
I go potty now.
Wait, no. Oh, my new shoes. That's it, Princess. Just have your special drink. Princess, hey, I'm Prince Derek, and I was wondering if you'd want to go on a date with me. I know you don't have a lot of brain cells, but...
Ow.
Hey, are you good?
Help.
What's going on?
My brain,
The potion is wearing off. Excuse us, Prince Derek. It's the princess's nap time. I'm so nervous for who my soulmate is gonna be.
Don't be. You're Santa's daughter. I'm sure you'll get someone just as jolly as you are.
I don't know. I really hope it's the Tooth Fairy's son because he's super cute.
Who is it?
I got the Easter Bunny's son.
Your soulmate's a rabbit?
Yeah, probably because I like carrots so much. I have to go now. Bye! Jack Frost has a son. Oh, I bet he's on the naughty list.
You bet who's on the naughty list?
Oh, hi, Mom.
Hi, Holly. I think your father wants to speak with you. He's in his office.
Okay.
Santa, your daughter's here to see you.
Hello, Holly.
Hi, Dad.
So, have you found out who your soulmate is the son of?
Nope.
Is that so?
Emergency! Emergency! All the toy machines have been frozen.
Sounds like the work of Jack Frost. I'll be right back, Holly.
Well, hello. Don't believe we've met. Name's Jared. Jared Frost. Bet you're wondering who froze the toy machines.
It was you, wasn't it?
Wow. Pretty and smart. Maybe you are my type after all.
Hey, I told you to stop following me.
Have you told your dad we're soulmates?
No. Have you?
Nope. And I'm not going to.
Here, we can't just keep lying to them.
But we have to. If your dad found out, he'd cancel Christmas.
You think so?
Oh, yeah. Things would get real ugly.
Holly, where are you?
That's my cue to go.
Jared,
Santa's looking for you.
There she is.
We thought we heard you talking to someone.
Really? That's funny.
Holly, we wanted to tell you the toy machines are fixed.
Great.
But now we need to know.
Who your soulmate is the son of. Please tell me it's father time.
I'm actually not feeling so well. I think I need fresh air.
Oh no. Okay.
I hate lying to them, but I can't let Christmas get canceled. What am I gonna do?
Holly,
Jared?
don't move. I'm pretty sure I can fix the ice.
That's not very comforting.
No, I can do it. Just hang on.
Hey, it's working.
You should be good to cross now. Give me your hand.
Wait, I don't know. What if you're tricking
I'm
me?
not tricking you. I promise. Let me see your hand. You won't let me fall. That's it. Nice. Whoa. Hey. You alright?
I'm probably gonna end up on the naughty list for lying. My dad is gonna be so disappointed in me.
Well, I'm used to that. My dad. He thinks I'm worthless.
Really?
Yeah. Because I haven't mastered my powers yet.
You seem pretty good at using your powers to me.
Thanks. Want to see something cool?
Sure. It's okay. Try again. Oh, Jared, it's beautiful.
You really are. I mean, it's beautiful, but you are too.
What are you doing?
Dad?
We were just talking, Jack.
It's Mr. Frost to you, and I know flirting when I see it. No son of mine will be with a Kringle.
Stop! That isn't fair.
Ow! Dad, let go!
No, son, we're leaving, and he's never going to see you again.
It's okay, Holly. Just go!
Mom, Dad! Why are you guys looking at me like that?
Because for the first time in 18 years...
You, Holly, are on the naughty list.
Okay, I can explain. It's because I haven't been very truthful about who I got as a soulmate.
Why? Who did you get, Holly?
The son of Jack Frost.
What?
What?
His whole family is cold-hearted.
But Jared is different.
Ho, ho. Frosts are nothing but bad news.
And you, young lady, are grounded for lying to us.
That's right. You heard your mother. Go to your room.
I have to save Jared. Who knows what Jack Frost is doing to him?
Holly, I can help you.
Winky? What are you doing here?
Well, you see, I may or may not have been eavesdropping on you all day.
Actually, I could use your help.
Sweet, because I've already hatched a plan on how you can save Jared.
You have?
I'm a sucker for a good forbidden love story, plus I totally ship you guys.
Winky.
Step 1 is to get your mom and dad to take an afternoon snooze, which has already been completed.
But they never take afternoon naps.
Well, let's just say I gave them some special milk and cookies.
Winky!
Sorry, it was the only way, but come with me. I think Jared's in danger. This is the house, and I overheard Jack telling Jared he's gonna lock him in the basement.
Okay, you distract Jack and I'll go save Jared.
Deal.
You can watch the full ending on my YouTube channel now.
Want to see your boyfriend's feelings?
100%? Guess he's a keeper.
Got this for you.
Thanks.
Of course, babe.
Derek, is that you?
Olivia.
You two know each other?
Yeah, we used to...
Date. We were together for a little bit. We should all go out sometime. Yeah, we should.
Boyfriend lost a little feelings.
Hey babe, do you maybe wanna hang out tonight?
Oh, sorry, babe. I already invited the boys over. They'll be here in a little bit. It's game night.
More feelings lost.
What is going on? You know what? Forget it. I don't care if it's boys' night. I have to go talk to him. Derek,
Holy shit! Is she wearing my...
we can explain.
You should have knocked.
Want to get revenge on your boyfriend? Pick your revenge for boyfriend. Revenge is ready. Take your revenge. Remember to use it wisely.
Hey, can we talk?
There is nothing to talk about. You and I are over.
No, don't say that, okay? I just found out that Olivia is with another guy.
Well, you know what they say. Karma is a real...
Maria, please. What I did was stupid, and I promise it's not gonna happen again. I want you, not her. Thanks for giving me a second chance.
Of course. I'm not one to hold a grudge.
You look so beautiful, babe.
Thanks.
Babe, I gotta tell you, this food is like really good.
I'm glad you like it. I made it myself.
What? I didn't know you could cook. You even got my favorite drink. Should we make a toast?
To us.
To us. Oh, babe, I hope you don't mind. I switched our drinks. The one you gave me smelt a little strong. Whoa.
You switched them?
Yeah, I didn't think it was that big of a deal. You've been coughing a lot. Are you okay? You know what? I'm gonna go get you some water.
Your revenge has backfired.
Yeah, no shit, Sherlock.
Would you like to receive the antidote?
Is that even a question? Yes.
Sorry I took so long, babe. Here you go.
Thanks. What a hero.
Boyfriend has lost a little feelings.
That boy gains and loses feelings for me every 5 seconds. Olivia? What the hell are you doing here?
It's Derek. He's in the hospital. Haven't you checked your phone? He got into a car accident.
Derek?
Bria, you came. Oh, I'm so glad I'll have you to take care of me.
Actually, no, you won't. Because I'm breaking up with you.
What? No! Please.
It's like I said, Derek. Karma. It's a real bitch. My soulmate picks my hair or my job for the day. I'm pretty particular with how I like my hair, so I think I'm gonna go with job. Please pick me an easy job.
Movie star.
Okay, I didn't exactly expect him to pick this job for me, and I'm not going to school dressed like this. Why isn't this coming off?
You may not remove work outfit.
Yeah, I should have picked the hair option. Hey guys.
Oh my gosh.
No way.
Look, before you laugh, I know this outfit's a lot, but...
I'm like your #1 fan.
You're definitely not. I am.
Whoa.
Can you sign this for me?
No, me. Okay, let's all just calm down. Oh shit. Talking mushrooms.
Right here, please.
I think I lost him.
Excuse me, can you sign this for me?
Oh, Of course, sweetheart. What do you want me to say?
Can you write the alphabet? But can you do it in Spanish?
Oh, I don't really know how to do that, but I can sign my name.
No, that's not what I wanted.
No. Please don't cry. Look, there's my autograph.
No, I don't want it.
Hey, look, this movie star's making this kid cry.
No. She just wanted me to write.
This just in, big time movie star makes little girl
No,
cry.
I didn't.
Okay, cut. That's a wrap. Guess we get to go home now.
Thank God. Hey, question. I picked for my soulmate to pick my occupation for the day, but I kind of want that to stop happening.
Oh, you have to meet your soulmate to make that stop.
But I don't even know what his name is or where he lives.
Uh-huh, sounds like a you problem.
Looks like we're doing this again.
Mate.
Oh, no, he didn't.
Mate.
Oh, no, he didn't. I better not be wearing what I think I'm wearing. Oh, he is so dead.
Honey,
Mom, oh, thank goodness you're home. Look at what my soulmate...
shh, enough chit-chat, honey. Here, your room needs dusting.
What?
You heard me. I don't pay you to sit
But
around.
Mom,
Get to work.
but I have to go to school.
School can wait. You've got desk to clean.
Who does he think he is? Turning me into Cinderella? I swear, when I find him, I'm gonna...
May not remove job uniform.
Yes, I know. I wasn't trying to remove it. It's just itching me. Principal Peters, hi. Listen, about my outfit, I know it's against dress code, but
There you are. The bathrooms need sweeping.
I'm supposed to get to class.
Forget about class. You get to cleaning that bathroom.
Yes, sir.
Aw, poor baby has to. Ow!
Whoops.
I'm telling my mom.
I am so over being a maid. If he does not give me a better job, I will hunt him down and...
Lion Tamer. Lion Tamer.
No. What on earth has he done to me?
Honey, there's some people at the door that want to talk to you.
Who exactly? Because if it's someone with a lion, tell them I'm not here.
Honey, they're waiting. Come on.
But Mom,
There you are. You're late.
late for what exactly?
Your show with the lion.
Oh, you see, I would, but I hurt my shoulder so bad the other day. Oh, it's just awful. So I better go rest it.
You were holding the other shoulder before?
Both shoulders got hurt.
Yeah, right. Come on. Let's get out of here. All right, we're here.
Let me just tell you that there has been a little mistake. I am not the right person for this.
Relax, and don't forget this.
Was that him?
It's a her, actually. I'll go grab her for you.
Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Come on, you got this. You can do this. Okay, bring her in.
Okay, here she is.
Why didn't you tell me the lion was a puppy?
We like to scare our new workers. You should have seen your face.
She's so cute. Yes, she is. Okay, I'll admit, this occupation was a lot more fun than I thought it was going to be. Maybe for the next job, though, I can get something a little less out there.
Chef.
A chef? At least that's a little bit more normal.
Congrats! You've been selected to be on our cooking show.
Huh?
Let's go. Take this spatula, and we're live in 5.
You guys don't understand. I'm not actually a real chef. This outfit is not even mine.
May not remove uniform.
Each of you will be paired with a celebrity that you must cook a meal for. Contestant number 1, you've been paired with Tom Holland. No way!
Hey everyone.
Okay, who did I get?
You've been paired with a new upcoming actor. Meet Zach Starman.
You seem a bit disappointed.
No, it's just that I never really heard of you before, and I thought we were doing A-list celebrities, so...
You don't think I'm good enough to be here?
No,
You don't want to upset your celebrity guest, as they will be judging your food. Looks like Tom Holland loved contestant number 1's dish.
For my dish I made for my celebrity guest is a Rice Krispie treat with some M&Ms on top. I hope that you will like it. Bon appetit!
Needs more salt.
But it's a Rice Krispie treat. It's not supposed to be salty.
Sorry, love, but I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10.
Well, with that score, that means contestant number 1 is the winner! I just won $500K!
You know, joke is on you guys because that was a store-bought Rice Krispie. I don't even care about this competition anymore.
Hey, you alright?
I'm just kind of getting tired of all these crazy jobs that my soulmate's giving me.
Oh, well, here's my number, if you ever want to talk.
My mom is gonna be so mad I didn't win that money. Wait a minute, I just took my hat off. But I could only do that if...
Soulmate found.
You figured it out, didn't you?
And you've got some explaining to do.
Can I explain over a date?
As long as I don't have to cook.
Deal.
Receive a letter or a mystery gift from my soulmate? I mean, I gotta go with mystery gift.
Package is ready.
That was fast.
Whoa, the gift is in the shape of a question mark.
And it says it's from Miniso. I think it's time to see what's inside.
The gift turned into a heart after I opened it. Whoa, look at all these mysterious compartments.
I'm so excited to see what's in them. Let's open this one first. It's from Toy Story. It's Lotso. Let's see what's in this one. Ooh, it's cinnamon roll. Looks like each of these packages will contain different figurines. I got so many blind boxes. Let's unbox some and see what's inside. Oh, this Sanrio one is so cute. This Stitch one is super adorable. I got the Stitch that came with the car. Look, it's little cinnamon roll. I wonder which one I got. Oh my goodness, how charming. All the little characters he sent me are so adorable. And it's so fun unboxing the blind boxes because you never know what characters you're gonna get until you unbox them. This makes such a great holiday gift. My soulmate must really love me to send me this. My soulmate controls my hairstyle for the day or my emotions. I might regret this, but I think I'm gonna go with emotions because I really don't want him to mess up my hair. Good morning, Mother. Sweetie, I accidentally shrunk your favorite dress in the wash. You can let the dog wear it now. But you love that dress. You're sure you're not mad? No worries. I'm off to school.
Hey, so I kinda have this crush on you. Okay, your face is kinda scaring me a little.
Good, because I don't even know why you're talking to me in the first place.
You're right, I knew this was a bad idea. I'm just gonna go.
We have to evacuate. There's a fire. Oh, you just need to relax. Everything's gonna be fine.
Mr. Smith, this one student refuses to run. Hey, why aren't you running?
I can't really run right now. I'm much too calm for that.
Are you insane? Listen, this building is it's gonna come down on us. Come on, I'm taking you out of here.
Look, she's alive! Mr. Smith saved her!
What is wrong with you?
I'm sorry, but my soulmate gave me the emotion of calmness.
What?
Girl, your soulmate almost got you killed.
Guys, can I talk to her alone for a sec?
Your soulmate almost got you killed.
Guys, can I talk to her alone for a sec?
Hey, girlies.
So, what did Mr. Smith want to talk to you about yesterday?
He just said that he couldn't help but feel like me almost dying in the school fire was his fault. And then he just took off.
Well, that's kind of weird. You know what else is weird? I found out Mr. Smith is only 20 years old. Apparently he graduated early.
That's cool.
Yeah, and you've been stuck unhappy ever since you talked to him. Her hamster passed away this morning, and it hasn't even fazed her. She deserves to mourn for her hamster.
Now come to think of it, what if he was just hibernating and I buried him alive? I killed Chubsters.
Oh, hey, don't cry. What just happened? Her soulmate must have heard us talking and changed her emotion. You know who I saw walking by when we were talking? Mr. Smith. No, you don't think that he's her
Soulmate? Yeah. You know what? Come with me. We're gonna go talk to him.
Mr. Smith? Sylvia, I don't know if you should do this.
Oh, hello, girls. What's up?
I know you're her soulmate.
Super bass.
Hey, yo, you see that nerd right there? I bet you $500 you can't get her a date for the prom. 500? All right, bet, bro, you're on. Okay, but if you lose, you owe me 500. Hey, excuse me?
Yeah?
Please tell me you got 2 options today.
Yeah, I did. But what's it to you?
Just tell me what they are, please.
I got the option to be smart or be beautiful, but I haven't picked one yet because I can't decide.
Pick to be beautiful.
Excuse me?
I just mean you're already the smartest girl here, so I would just pick to be beautiful if I were you.
You really think that I should?
Oh yeah.
Wow. Well, okay. Nothing's changed.
Oh man. Maybe the system's broken.
I think it's still loading.
But prom's in 2 days.
Yeah, so?
Listen, how would you like to go on a little shopping spree with me?
You barely even talk to me. Why would you want to take me?
I want to be your friend. Come on.
Well, my mom does say I need to make more friends.
So?
Fine, but just so you know, my mom has installed a chip in the back of my head, so she can track me wherever I go.
Okay.
I'm just saying in case you're trying to kidnap me.
Uh-huh. Can I see those glasses?
Sure, but they're a little busted.
And now they're completely busted.
Why would you—
Chill out. I'll get you something better.
But I can't see without my glasses.
And that's the bell. Follow me. What does your beauty option say?
I would tell you what it said, but I can't see because you broke my glasses.
I told you I'm gonna buy you contacts, but first we gotta fix that unibrow. I'm gonna pluck a few hairs, okay?
No way.
Come on, I'm just trying to help you out. I'm gonna make your eyebrows look snatched.
It won't hurt too bad, right?
Nah, we're just plucking a few little hairs.
Ow!
Okay, that was a big one.
Please tell me you're done.
I'm done, and it's looking good. Yikes, I can do eyebrows, but not hair. Time for a professional makeover.
A makeover?
Yeah, you know, like in those teen movies. It'll be fun.
I don't know.
Don't be a negative Nancy. Come on, we're going to the mall.
I won't even be able to see where I'm going.
Just hold my hand and I'll guide you around. Hey, it's okay. You can trust me. I'll buy you contacts once we get there. Let's go. Those should be your prescription. Can you see?
Yeah.
Perfect. Now try these on.
Remind me again why we're doing this.
I'm just trying to be a good friend to you. That's all. Okay, that top is the one. Now we just gotta get you some hair and makeup to go with it. I will be your hair and makeup artist. Come with me. Are you ready to see her? Yes, ma'am. Let him see, honey. Holy shit. She looks, beautiful. Now you have my number. Call me for prom. Bye. How do you feel?
I feel different.
Hopefully it's a good different, because next we gotta get you a date to the prom.
Why don't I just go with you?
Oh, actually, I was planning on asking this other girl, so,
Right, of course.
But hey, listen, you deserve better than me. You know how to flirt, right?
Well, sure I do.
Okay, let's go over a few things then. First off, guys kind of like it when girls, you know, play with their hair.
Like this?
Oh boy, we got some work to do. Okay, let's try a subtle lip bite. No, don't do that. Try again. You know what? Never mind. Okay, pretend to ask me to prom.
Go to prom with me.
Ow. Okay, let's try asking and not grabbing so hard.
Sorry. Hey, will you go to the prom with me?
Alright, that was perfect. If you stare at a guy like that with your eyes, he'll be mesmerized, yeah.
I should probably get back home.
Yeah, for sure.
Hey, Jake, guess what? I got someone to go to the prom with me.
Really? Who?
Him.
What's up, Jake? Bet you didn't see this coming. Here's your $500, Jake. I guess you won the bet. I didn't think I'd be the one taking her on a date, but damn, she's hot now. I mean, she was already kind of cute. Well, I just want a hot date. After prom, I'm gonna dump her. What? She'll get over it. I'll talk to you later. Hey, can we talk for a second?
What's up?
I can't let you go to the prom with him. You can't go to prom with him.
What? Why not?
Don't mess with my prom date, Jake. I'm not gonna let you use her. Me? You're the one that's been using her.
What is he talking about?
I was just trying to help you look nice because I made him a bet.
A bet?
Yep, that you couldn't get a date to the prom. Listen, I know that sounds bad, but
I thought you said you were helping me so you could be my friend. You were just using me for money.
No. I'm sorry, I shouldn't
Get away from me. And to think I actually liked...
Layla.
Never talk to me again. Forget them and forget the system. I was beautiful before this makeover and I'm beautiful now. Maybe this option wasn't supposed to make me beautiful. It was supposed to show me that I already am. But I think for prom, maybe I won't wear the glasses. And you know what? I don't need any guy to go with. I'm going on my own.
Hey, Layla, what you doing?
Walking to my Uber.
Uber? I told you I'm taking you to prom.
And I told you I'm not going with you to prom anymore. I'm going alone.
That's not gonna happen.
Let go.
Get in my car. I told you I'm taking you to prom.
And I told you I'm not going with you to prom anymore. I'm going alone.
That's not gonna happen.
Let go.
Get in my car.
No.
Hey, Ricky, let her go.
Jake.
Get out of here, Jake. I'm not going anywhere, Ricky. Get away from me. I said let her go. Alright, that's it. Come here. Ricky, I don't want to...
Stop it. Leave him alone.
Ricky, come on. Let's not... Shut up.
Hey, Ricky.
Stay down. Hey, are you alright?
I'm fine, but you're bleeding.
Yeah, he got me pretty good.
Hang on. I'm gonna call the police, okay?
Okay.
Hey, how you doing?
You know, I've been better, but the doctor said I'm clear to go home, so that's good.
Thank you so much for saving me.
You kind of saved me with that kick. Layla, you need to know that bet was stupid. You were already beautiful.
Thanks, Jake. I kind of already found that out for myself.
'Cause you're smart.
Well, lucky for us, there's 1 hour of prom left. I'll let you go hang out with the girl you said you were gonna ask.
Layla, wait. I don't want to go to prom with anyone but you.
I thought you just wanted to be friends.
No, Layla, I don't. I mean, if it's okay with you, I'd like to be more than that.
I would like that.
So should we head to prom?